Дубль 1.
2.
Что нужно, чтобы сходить за кофе в солнечный голландский день? Модная прическа.
Солнце.
Да, но с этим сложно.
It's bigger than you, and you are not me. The things that I will go through, the distance in your eyes. Oh no, I've said too much. I said it all. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I said too much. I said it all. I thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw you dry. Every whisper of every waking hour, I'm choosing my confession, trying to keep an eye on you, like a heart lost in a blinded fool. Oh no, I've said too much. I have said it all. Consider this the hint of the century. Consider this the sleeps that brought me to my knees. It failed. Now what if all these fantasies come playing around? Now I see too much.
Выжили.
Да.
Я, конечно, один раз вместо поворотника бибикнул. Это
Вместо поворотника что? А, бибикнул. Я
Бибикнул.
думала, кто там бибикнул.
Я,
Решила, что
я.
лучше я не буду это уточнять у водителя мотоцикла, что происходит.
А, ну
Всё,
да.
вот мы едем, мы живы, и ладно.
Дорогая GoPro-шка, это мотоцикл, это море, это носитель кофе, носительница. Поедем, поработаем.
Там, да.
Sing the song for a broken hearted. No silent prayer for the faith departed. I'm gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice. I shout it out loud. It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. As Frankie said, I did it my way. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life. This for the one who stood their ground. But Tommy and Gina who never back down. Tomorrow's getting harder, make no mistake. You're lucky, David, luck, you'll have to make your own breaks. It's my life, and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is like an open highway. As Frankie said, I did it my way. I don't wanna live another life. It's my life.
после экзамена живой? Не в больнице.
Вас снимают. Давай, расскажи, это самое, в смысле жизни,
Все, молодец, можешь дальше ехать.
в
Если...
смысле ехать. Потом можно садиться и ничего не делать. Ты уже выжил, ты уже молодец.
если-